hereby certify that 1. I am the returning officer for the 2021 Isoko South State Constituency by-election held on the 11th day of September 2021. That the election was contested. 3. That the candidates received the following votes. 1. Ebewore Enabetama Simeon, a male of Party A, scored 1 vote. 2. Eterigo Onowojo, female of AA of Party AA, scored 0 votes. 3. Egogo Prosper, male of ADC, scored 16 votes. Onojerame Innocent Ogene Karo, male, ADP, scored 16 votes. Ifowodo Ogaga Ifowodo Osayi, male of APC, scored 1301 votes, 1,301 votes. Owolo Hon Kenneth, male of Abga, scored 8 votes. Opama Ogenefego Patrick, male of APN, scored 5 votes. Ugo Enifome Ejumegu, male of APP, scored 22 votes. Umukoro Isaiah Orobosa, male of NNPP, scored 11 votes. Evivie Ovuakpoye, male of PDP, scored 6,957 votes. James Emamoke Onoraro, male of PRP, scored 8 votes. And Michael Paul Emumena, male of SDP, scored 1,291 votes. 4. That Evivie Ovuakpoye of PDP, having satisfied the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Thank you.